poor and stingy men. Why?
Listen, I believe that one day luck will shine on you.
When? You're the luckiest girl I've ever seen in my whole life. Even with my closeness to you, your luck does not rub on me.
I love you so much. More than you can ever imagine.
He left that day. The police came back to us with his car. They said that the car was seen parked along the highway. But all efforts to locate him is aborted.
I'm sorry.
You are in my duplex. What are you doing in my house?
How can I be pregnant for a madman?
You just come out of the blue and you're claiming to be the father of my child. Something is wrong with your head.
I still suggest we run a DNA test to prove me otherwise.
You are very sick. I will not. Mike!
You know him?
See, let me tell you, if you leave Mike, I'm still jumping on him. I've told you.
I will no longer get rid of this baby. I'm keeping this child.
You still want to keep it for a madman?
Don't say that. Don't say that. He's not a madman. He's like...